This comprehensive guide outlines 8 methods to recover deleted Excel and other files. You can bookmark it for future reference. Let's return to our topic. Method 1. Recover Excel files via Undo Delete, Ctrl+Z. If you recently deleted the Excel files, right-click on the blank area and choose Undo Delete. Method 2. Restore Excel files from Recycle Bin. If you cannot undo the deletion, check if the files are still in the Recycle Bin. Method 3. Recover Excel files using Syncios D-Savior. For permanently deleted files, use a reliable data recovery tool like Syncios D-Savior. To demonstrate, let's delete some files and then permanently remove them from the Recycle Bin. Next, launch Syncios D-Savior on your computer. Since the original Excel files were stored on Drive E, select E Drive and start scanning. You don't need to wait for the full scan. You can check if the deleted Excel files have been scanned by browsing the catalog or file type. Preview the files before recovery. Under the Type section, go to Documents and click XLSX. Select the Excel workbook you want to recover, considering its name, modification date, size, and original path. After selecting the files, click Recover Now. Choose a saving directory, avoiding the original drive to prevent data overwriting. When recovered, the original path will be retained. Open the Excel file to verify it has been successfully restored. See, you can open all the recovered Excel files normally. Method 4. Recover Excel files using Auto-Recover for unsaved files. If your PC crashes or shuts down unexpectedly, use Excel's Auto-Recover feature. Open Excel, go to File Open, and click Recover Unsaved Workbooks. You will find temporary versions of your workbooks. Open them to confirm your data is back. Method 5. Recover Excel files from Temporary Files folder. Alternatively, directly check the Excel temporary folder. Copy the path from the related guide and paste it into the Windows Explorer search bar to access the temp folder immediately. Method 6. Restore Excel files from previous versions. Right-click on the Excel file, choose Properties, and then click Previous Versions. If File History was enabled, you'll see older versions of the file. If the file is already deleted, instead locate and restore the previous version of the folder where the file was originally stored. Method 7. Restore Excel files from File History. Go to the Windows search box and search for Control Panel. Under System and Security, click Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Navigate to File History and then Restore Personal Files. Check if you can find the deleted files here. Select the files and click the recovery icon to restore them to their original location. To avoid overwriting existing files, click the Settings icon and choose Restore to, then select an appropriate recovery location. Method 8. Recover Excel files using Windows File Recovery Tool. Download and install the free Windows File Recovery Tool from the Microsoft Store. Open it via the Windows search box. The recovery process uses command line instructions. Press Enter to start. Follow the guide to copy and paste the necessary command into a text file. For example, this command scans the I drive and recovers data to the temp folder in the G drive. Replace I with a target drive and G/temp with your recovery path. Use extensive for a deep scan or regular for a quick scan. Specify the file types you want to recover. Copy this command and paste it into the Windows File Recovery tool. Press Enter to initiate the deep scan. Enter Y to confirm an instant scanning. Full drive scanning can take hours, so we'll skip this step in the video. Here are the results from a previous test. Recovered files will be saved in a folder named Recovery followed by the date. Open the XLSX folder within to check the recovered Excel files. Some files may lose their names but can be identified by size and content. For more details and additional methods, refer to the related guide in the video description. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.